So good morning, everybody. My name is Brian Savando, and I'm here again to record a video talking about jet lag. And well, I'll be talking about these and the results of the interview I had last week, and I'm going to compare some of the things that I did research on and the interview that I had. So, according to the interview that I had last week, I realized or I discovered that most of the people who have traveled to another part of the world have suffered from jet lag. Well, at least the five people who I interviewed, they they suffer from jet lag. So let me go with the first question. The first question was, have you suffered from jet lag while traveling on long distance flights? And well, all of the five people who I interviewed, they all suffer from jet lag. And the next question was, especially have you suffered from? And we had a lot of options to choose from, and most of them chose tiredness over the first 5 days after arrival, disorientation, dehydration, lack of energy and motivation, and broken sleep, and ear, nose, and throat problems, colds, and flu, like most of the oceans that we had, actually. And that's funny. Um, well, and how effective was no jet lag country and jet lag symptoms for you? Was the next question. And well, for the people who I interviewed, they found it very good. They found it very good, and one person found it fair, like it really made no real difference for her. But the other people found it nice. So we can find or we can figure out from this that no jet lag is effective in countering jet lag symptoms for anybody or almost anybody. So, and the last question was, did you find jet lag effective in countering tiredness after arrival? Well, most of the people said yes to that question, as you can see in my interview last week. And according to the things that I did research, jet lag is like it's like a conflict that we're having with our inner clock and the time zone that we are in, right? And well, I was looking for some ways to counter jet lag, and we can also find other ways like drinking a lot of water. It helps our body to get used to the time zone that we are in first. Obviously, you will need to pee a lot, which is normal. It's part of the process. Don't get scared. But and actually, it will help you with your health, right? Another thing that we can do is adjust our meals. And when I say adjust our meals, I'm not talking about the quantity of our meal, the food that we're gonna eat. I'm talking about the time. Like for example, if you have lunch here in Ecuador at 1 p.m. every day, when you are in Tokyo or in Hong Kong, you will have to have lunch at the same time, 1 p.m. Even though it is going to be different, you will have to do it because it'll help you to adjust your body and your inner clock to that time zone, right? And well, those are the most common or the best ways to counter jet lag symptoms when you're having that. So thank you so much.